assuming you're searching for smooth love mixture cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of smooth love elixir SLP will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of smooth love elixir SLP and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of smooth love elixir is $morph as an SLP is presently positioned #320 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of smooth love mixture is 41,384,131,723 with a market cap of $165,658,486. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the smooth love mixture's cost has shown a decent increment of 572% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the SLP was in great vertical pattern and expanded by zone 33%. Smooth love elixir has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Smooth love mixture value expectation mini computer. Our SLP forecast mini computer utilizes progressed calculations and AI models examine an immense range of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give an extensive expectation of smooth love mixture. Basically input your ideal time span and see the possible anticipated worth of smooth love elixir. Our number cruncher will create a far-reaching rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. We anticipate future smooth love mixture cost expectations will gauge by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialized examination on the past value information of smooth love elixir. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the SLP coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past cost, smooth love elixir market cap, smooth love mixture volume, and hardly any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Smooth love mixture value forecast outline. Smooth love elixir SLP is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $985 constantly 2025. The ongoing business sector cost of one smooth love elixir is $. Smooth love elixir SLP is determined to arrive at a typical cost of $474 toward the finish of 2030. The negative cost expectation for smooth love mixture SLP in 2040 is $282, with a likely high of $346. Our smooth love elixir long-haul gauge for 2050 proposes SLP possibly running somewhere in the range of $395 and $456. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2024 the cost of smooth love mixture is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.56. The smooth love elixir value worth can arrive at a limit of $56 with the typical exchanging worth of $5 in USD. Smooth love elixir value forecast 2025. Smooth love elixir cost is estimated to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $of incers in 2025. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.85 with the typical figure cost of $73. SLP value gauge for 2026. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of smooth love elixir is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $2. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $122 with the typical worth of $4. Smooth love mixture SLP value expectation 2027. The cost of smooth love elixir is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $147 in 2027. The smooth love elixir cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $179 with the typical exchanging cost of $152 all through 2027. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2028. The cost of one smooth love elixir is supposed to reach at least degree of $214 in 2028. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.56 with the typical cost of $East all through 2028. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, In 2029, the cost of smooth love mixture is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.325. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.377 with the typical exchanging cost of $336. Smooth Love Elixir SLP Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $458 in 2030. The Smooth Love Elixir cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $560 with the typical cost of $474 all through 2030. Smooth Love Mixture Value Figure 2031. The cost of Smooth Love Mixture is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $6.7 in 2031. The Smooth Love Mixture cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $798 with the typical exchanging cost of $689 all through 2031. Smooth Love Mixture SLP Value Forecast 2032. According to the Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2032 the cost of Smooth Love Mixture is anticipated to reach at least degree of $987. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.10148 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.21. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2033. Smooth Love Elixir cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.13433 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.11716 with the typical estimate cost of $0.18484. Smooth Love Elixir Value Conjecture 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and opinions is essential, however feeling can be whimsical. Analyzing current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of Smooth Love Mixture is supposed to reach $346, with a typical exchanging worth of $302. The base cost is projected to be around $282. SLP Value Gauge for 2050. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute fundamentally to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Smooth Love Mixture cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $395 and can reach as high as $456 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $412. Smooth Love Mixture Value Conjecture Facts. How high can Smooth Cherished Mixture go? The typical cost of Smooth Love Elixir SLP could go to $5 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $2 mark. What is the Smooth Love Elixir cost today? Today, Smooth Love Mixture SLP is exchanging at $1 with the market cap of $165,658,486,000. What is the fate of Smooth Love Mixture? The eventual fate of Smooth Love Mixture is profoundly reliant upon the general exhibition of the crypto business.